Did you know City of London has one of the best additional dwelling unit rules in all over Ontario? Here's why your property could be worth so much more. Across Ontario, you can build up to 3 units per property, and you need parking for each additional unit. But in City of London, you can build up to 4 units per residential lot, and there's no parking requirement for additional dwelling units. That's more rental income and more property value with less hassle. This is possible because of Ontario's bylaw provides the bylaw provides clause when cities create better rules, then local bylaws take precedence over provincial bylaws. Let's break it down. More units, no parking requirements, and flexible lot coverage up to 45%, could be more in some cases, and higher building limits, 6 meters. London's give you every advantage to maximize your property potential. More units means more rental income. Better regulations mean higher property values. London's rules are designed to help property owners succeed, ready to unlock your property full potential. Our team has completed over 2 dozens of ADU projects and knows London's regulations inside and out. Contact us today for your free consultation. Thank you. This is Tony Tang, Realtor, Builder, and Property Manager in London, Ontario.